You must have a piece of birthday cake. Your hairstyle is quite unique. Let me buy you a drink. Your outfit isn't quite right for this place. Let me help you.
I recorded it all, Claire.